what's up? It's your boy 360 Jeezy. Listen, let's just jump right in it, shall we? Let's go.
This is a crazy transformation mid-fade time. I'm debugging.
Okay. No. We not finna just say it's a transformation.
So now I'm
just
going
calling
in
it a transformation. A transformation is where you got a long hair on the top and you looking wild and you change it from one way to the next. Let's just not throw everything on trend.
Then we throw number one guard level all the way close, and then a half all the way close to get rid of that middle, and then we're gonna do a 1.5 all the way close to blend with the top, and boom, there you go, super crispy, super fresh, like a
that was a lot of bulk on the side. The fro is a little whopped. It's a nice taper, nice line. The fro is a little whopped. I don't know if he wanted it like that. The fro was a little whoppy on that left or right side. One of them sides was bulging out more than the other side. All right, let's just, when we doing them afros, let's look at the whole shape in totality. All right, let's see what this looking like. All right. You're not giving us much but the back, bro. You're not really giving us much to go on. Hey, his line is hit because, ooh, crispy. That's a 10 out of a 10 right there. Nothing, hey, whoever that barber is, good job. Y'all did that. That's nice. This right here, nice. I would have wanted to do a little more sponge curl on the top, but and also in that corner is not as sharp as well. But overall, he did a good job. All right, we cutting waivers. Ooh, you see how he did the burst on the sides with the pencils? All right, his liners is hitting. Them liners is hitting. I don't see. Nasty, okay? I don't know about your boy head though. I don't know about your boy dolphin head though.
I'm doing a mid taper. I'm combing everything out right now. Then I'm going with the grain with a number one guard level all the way close to smooth everything out. So now I'm going no guard level all the way close to get rid of our first guideline.
That was it.
And then we open that lever all the way up to get rid of that middle guideline, as you can see. Then we're gonna throw a number one guard on there to blend in that middle guideline.
To the, you know what I'm saying? I'm not
gonna
use my half guard level
all the way close to get rid of that bottom guideline using the edge of my clip.
For the first bald line, I'm just gonna keep it honest.
Throw a 1.5 guard on to blend everything in with the top. Now as you can see, I'm detailing no guard level all the way close using the edge of my clipper to blend everything and get rid of those small guidelines. Now I'm going in with my lineup using the edges of my trimmer only.
A little too much.
There you go.
Narration is sounding like Get
We got
Beam.
a super crispy mid taper. We threw enhancements on.
You've been watching Get Beam though.
View. This is a side view. Like and follow for more. It's D Blends. Let's go.
D Blends, you did that. You've been watching a lot of Get Beam. I can't say that by the way you narrating your video. You've been watching a lot of Get Beam. Like not to say that watching Get Beam is wrong, but I'm just saying like you could tell by the way people talk. You know what I mean? Who they've been watching a lot. Nice blend. Nice blend. Nice curls on the top. Nice cut. Yes, sir. I ain't been hearing no the bios. You know what I'm saying? We ain't been hearing them. I'm so happy to hear that we ain't been hearing them. Oh my goodness, Lord have. Okay. Y'all feeling what I'm feeling, right? I don't know. That one, I just don't know. I want to say that's a nice cut. I want to. but I know it was the last person to cut the last person, the same person that's cutting this person right now that cut the last person that I didn't know, which makes it hard for me to judge this last one. Nice cut. Nice waver cut. Blend is nice. I just think like there's things that I would do that's missing that I want to see that's not done. That's the way that I'm judging this. You know what I'm saying? Like, ooh, I would have probably did a freehand trim to complete the cut, to make it like finished, have that finished look.
Super crispy. Of course, we went back in detail. Super crispy, high taper. Hey, like and follow for more like this is D Blends. Let's go.
That's cool. I won't give it a 10 though. I'll give it like a 7.5. I won't give it a full 10 though. Hey, whoever is got them liners, them Andis T outliner, cordless T outliners is making them hit. That's a nice cut. Yes sir. I like this barber. Whoever this is, I like him. Let's see. Come on now. We a waiver. You better hit him right. Do him right. My man did him right. Okay. I'm feeling okay. I like this barber. I don't know. It looks like this is the same barber that I was like, I don't know, but I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. It seems like this, I don't know. It's kind of like sometimes when he do the shadow stuff that I don't like. It's the shadowing that I don't like of his. That's what it is. Like, I don't like that shadow taper. I don't like it. I don't like the shadow taper look. Like, it's not, I feel like it could be blended better. I just don't like the shadow look. That's what it is. I'm not feeling the shadow look, but the lineup, the way he's putting the line on it is crispy, no enhancements. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got nothing against people not using enhancements. I don't judge people wrong. You know what I'm saying? When they don't use enhancements. You know what I mean? It's all preference. At the end of the day, I'm looking at how you put that line on your clients and how well that fade is. You know what I mean? Fade is nice. Lineup is crispy.
If your beard keeps getting pushed down, this is how I fix it. I sculpt the sides to blend in that
we went this whole video without nobody yelling and screaming.
Super natural, then boom, that's the end look. If you're in Lower Maryland, want the best beard, click the link in the bio to book today.
We went through this whole video with no click at the link in the bio. Fresh cut. My man got a 5 head, fresh cut though. You know what I'm saying? My man got a head's head. You know what I mean? My man got like 2 heads in one. You know what I'm saying? My man had his son's head and his grown head and his dad's head. He had head, bro. No pause. I know my forehead is big, but I'm just saying, nice cut. But my man got a dolphin forehead. The dolphin forehead gets him every time, I swear. Nice cut. That's a nice one, man. Hey, this one had nice cuts. I'm gonna be honest with y'all.
Do you got a fucked up hairline? Do you have 2 light spots in your hairline? This is how I'm about to say my boy. I lay the waves down to hide those light spots, and then I prep the skin up, and then I line it up real natural. Boom. That's the end result with no enhancements. If you in Lower Maryland and got an issue with your hairline, click the link in the bio today.
What was that? Nice cut, man, but you gotta work on your voiceovers, man. It's so surprising. Yeah, man, I'm here today to tell you guys, if you ever had, bro, chill. Right? But when I'm looking and scrolling on my phone, I don't need to be shocked. Nice cut. Now these is more on the natural side. I'm feeling these cuts.
Let's do a low tape. First,
Especially
we put
because
in
it's nice and clean on the natural side.
All the way
you know what I mean?
Open that lever
it's not
all the way up. Number 1.
Competing with people that do enhancements like myself, it's kind of hard to compare the two. You know what I'm saying? Because enhancements really does bring out the best in the cut. So when you do decide to do just the all natural cuts and show them, sometimes we could kind of feel like, you know what I'm saying? If he would have just threw some enhancements on it, it would have been dope. It would have been made it that much more better. Or at least that's how sometimes I feel. But trust me, I get the whole natural look and you know what I'm saying, being bold enough, especially in these days and times, to just be able to just show a natural cut. You know what I'm saying? And it's not always an easy thing to do because, you know, we let's just be real, all right? A lot of people hide things for putting on enhancements. A lot of people hide it. So kudos to everybody that just went all natural in this video. That was dope. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't expecting that. Shout out to the people that uses enhancements. I ain't got nothing against it. Like I said, I use enhancements, but I'm just rambling at this time. Listen, if you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. It's your boy 360 GZ. And I'm out of here. Peace.